Hi guys, thanks for popping in. So today we'll be looking at this Mark IV Jetta 1.9 TDI with 317,000 Ks on the clock. We got the car from WeBuyCars, 25,000 Rand excluding admin cost. There's quite a big ding on the door, some paint missing on the top of the door as well as on the side, some putty work done there, a massive dent here at the back. Rear bumper is quite in okay-ish condition. The car definitely has hail damage. The oil seemed fine, no contaminants, water as well, coolant, no contaminants, and timing belt also looked in good shape. Engine was very clean. I believe they pressure washed the engines. So let's take the car home. Here are the front and rear bumpers after primer. They came out quite well. Here's the famous intake. I'm going to show you a picture of what the injector looks like. Please clean your air filter. Look at what this car's air filter looked like. I don't think it was ever replaced. Also some dirt behind the fender liner. And here's that big dent that I was referring to in the first section of the video. Came out quite nice, to be honest. Took a lot of time, but it came out. And here's my favorite part of working on cars, the sanding part. Definitely the most demanding part of the job, but it's definitely the most rewarding. Sanding is time consuming, and I would love to acquire some pneumatic tools in the future. I've sprayed some primer there, and 800 and 1200 and also 2000 grit, making the surface quite sleek. And here I'm applying paint. The color is candy white. Here with the final result. I'd like to thank you for sticking around, and hope that I could see you again. Take care. Bye bye.